Hello and welcome, this is Jilly Cube. I am currently showing you what to do with the painting that you have just scraped. So instead of scraping the paint off and wasting all the paint, I just scraped it into one heap, and I'm going to try and create something with this scrape painting. I tried to do something I had in my head previously, it just didn't turn out. So just why not push on and try? If this doesn't turn out, then that's okay too. So you just explore with it and have fun. And I think I was enjoying scraping that around the canvas a little bit too much there. Seemed to be really enjoying it. So it turned out that my scraped bits in the right hand corner are like a dirty grey colour. So I thought black, and then I'll throw in some colours that I think will really lift this. But really what I want to show you is that you can, push on and create something out of something that you weren't very happy with. So I was pretty happy with this finished product on this one. So I'm really hoping that you like it too. So now I'll add the colour that I think will help lift this. So that in that container is a champagne gold. It is 50% gold, 50% silver metallic, so it makes a really lovely champagne gold. So I'm going with that one, and of course I will add some white. Actually, that previous colour wasn't white, it's called sand, and this one is I think it's called wattle green, or it's like a cool, what am I talking about, green, yellow. God, I'm losing it today. It's Easter weekend here, and it's been a bit hectic. So there is my white, and I'm going to keep the colours really minimal, and I'm going to blow them out and really hope that I can salvage this, what I felt was a lost canvas. So let's see how it turns out.
Let me tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time. You gotta let me...
Oh my goodness, I love it. I really love that. And I've got a friend who that colour would work perfectly for, that loves the very minimalistic but with yellow. So that is very nice. I am going to do a little detail in the centre there that I hope works, but if not, you know, nothing ventured, nothing gained.
And so eager to please, you know I played for love, but it got me on my knees. Now's the time to reap what I've sown, your words echoing in every single bone. Underwater, so far out at sea, there's no cure for what you're telling me. And soon I'm on my...
Hang on with me, it does get better. Using that potato-like deflated balloon, it created a whole different bloom effect that I absolutely love in the centre. So all I will do now is just some little wiggles detail with the skewer. You can do this, you can do, let's see, you can do whatever you choose or not do it at all. I just think it adds a little bit of floaty, dreamy look when you put a bit of wiggles in there. But absolutely love that flower like in the centre that's done differently with the balloon. Very happy, Jan. Hope you love it, and I will be back tomorrow. So please join me for more art inspiration.
I'm on my way, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm on my way, yeah, yeah. I'm on my way, yeah. Yes, I'm on my way. Tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time. You gotta let me know if I'm out of line. But there's some words that I just wanna hear you say, straight before this night turns into day, and then I'm on my way, yeah. Yes, I'm on my way. A bit naive and so eager to please, you know I played for love, but it got me on my knees. Now's the time to reap what I've sown, your words echoing in every single bone. Underwater, so far out at sea, there's no cure for what you're telling me, and soon I'm on my way, yeah. Yes, I'm on my way. I'm on my way, yeah. Yes, I'm on my way, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm on my way. my way.